Okay, so these were all the creams that were in this plastic acrylic. Now these made by Mitchell Blurshes. They're kind of like a multitasking product. So I just use these as eyeliners. I did try and use it as a cream eyeshadow once. I think it was this yellow one and it didn't quite work out. So I'm just trialling and erroring them. So let me just put them to the back. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So let's do the cream eyeshadow. So we've got the Lottie London one. This is the only one I've got. This is the golden hour shade. So we'll do some swatches of these. I don't mind doing swatches when I know it's going to be quite a short video, and I think this will. Look at that. Look how metallic it is though. So that's that. So we're keeping that. I can just put these back in the acrylic container now, because that's where they came from. I'm not actually too sure if I'm getting rid of any of this. Then let's do the Charlotte Tilbury. So this one is in the shade Bet. I think they've changed the shade name now though. Yeah, they've changed the shade name to something else. I don't know what it is, but that's what mine looks like. I barely even used it. I don't know why. Probably because I don't really use single eyeshadows a lot, and that's the shade there. I mean, look at that. That is a great one and done eyeshadow. I think I might actually call this one and done eyeshadow, because that's what they are really. But so were the others that I did, that I showed you. Right, so I'm keeping that as well. I have had that Charlotte Tilbury for years at this point, so when people say, oh, they don't last, ignore that, take that with a pinch of salt, because I've had mine at least for years, probably even more than that. So we've got a Stila one here, and this one is Metallic Laurel. It's a really nice, like, green gold. I don't know about this one, guys. I think I'll try it. I mean, look at the sparkle on that. I think I'll try it. I'll start bringing at least one cream eyeshadow in to a Shop My Stash, and then I can kind of get a feel for them. I'm not just going to get rid of them for the sake of getting rid of them. Sorry about the banging. Then we've got the Australis Metallics. So this one is Guns and Rose Petal. I absolutely love this shade. Isn't that pretty? I've definitely used this one more than I've used the other one that I'm going to be showing you. So that's it there. Oh my gosh, this is going to do my head in now, all this banging. Right, so I'm keeping that one. This one is dark, it's JZ, and you'll be able to see I've not used it as much. So I don't know whether to declutter this. Let's see. Yeah, it's really dark. Okay, we'll keep it for now. Keep it for now, and then I'll try it one more time and we'll see. Right, I've got this e.l.f. No Budge cream eyeshadow. Keeping this. This one is in the shade Plateau. I use it as eyeliner as well. You can see where I've had my brush in there. So I use it for eyeliner. But yeah, it is so creamy. I want to get some more of these. They've got a really nice yellow one that I want. But look how creamy that is. And it makes a nice base, you know, for like duochromes and multichromes. So keeping that one for sure. Then we've got all these. They're still creams, but I don't know if I'm going to keep some of them. So we've got this Milk Makeup Eye Pigment in, I think it's the shade After Party. Yeah, it is. And this is a great one and done eyeshadow as well. So that's that one. You can see just how similar that is to that. I'm sure I don't need them both, but I want to try the Australis one again. Right, let's try these Revolution. I mean, I bought them as like one and done eyeshadows, and it's just, I don't know, I've just not enjoyed them. So I'm going to wipe all this stuff off that I've got on my hand, and we can swatch some of that. I just feel like those Revolution, they're meant to be dupes for the PLOUISE, but I just don't feel like they are. They're called the Revolution Ultimate Pigment Base. This one is in, I think it's just pink. Yeah, pink. It's really runny. Can you see how runny that is? Maybe I could use them as eyeliners though. I haven't tried that. So that's the pink one, and they're really like pastel-y, like chalky pastel-y. We'll keep them for now. Then we've got the one in blue. Again, really quite runny. Oh, this one's really nice. It's like an aqua blue. So yeah, I think I'm going to try these as like eyeliners, guys. Right, and then we've got a yellow. Again, they're just really, really runny. And it's coming up across more green because I've had the blue under there, but that's what that yellow one looks like. A little bit was dripping. It drips out of the top if you don't put the lid straight back on, but that's the yellow. And is there any need to bang like the way they're banging up there? It's not even like them putting nails in walls. That you can appreciate. That one's in mint, and they've not only just moved in either. Again, very, very nice. But I've got a feeling they'll be getting decluttered in the next round. So I guess this is more about showing you my collection than actually decluttering anything. Right, and then we've got a purple, no, a lilac one. So that's lilac. Right, let's do the Made by Mitchell ones, because some of these are exactly the same. If I feel like they're too similar, I might just get rid of the Revolution ones, but I don't know anyone that wants them. Right, so yellow. So, Made by Mitchell in the shade 1998. So that's that one. Then we've got the purple one, which is Love Lies. So that's both yellow and purple side by side. Then we've got the green one in Dream Screen. I could never wear these as blushes, but they are like kind of multi-purpose products, aren't they, these? I'm keeping all of them. And then we've got the last one, which is in the shade Minted. So that's all for there. So get rid of those. Right, and then we've only got two left. So we've got this PLOUISE Base, which I absolutely love. I got this in a mystery box. It's the wet set, and I was really, really lucky. I got the shade Mango Mistress. I like to wear this under like a duochrome or something like that. It looks really, really nice. Can you see just how vibrant that is? So, so pretty. So yeah, compared to, let me show you just how thick it is as well. Right, so compared to the Revolution ones, it is just so much thicker in consistency, and a little bit really does go a long way. So I can appreciate why most people rave about these PLOUISE bases over the Revolution ones, because they're nowhere near as good. And the last one is a Danessa Myricks. Right, so this is one of those multi-use products, so you can put it on eyes, lips and cheeks. So that's what it looks like. And the shade I've got is Venus. It's, oh my gosh, I had so much out. All that popped out of it, so I guess we're putting all this. on. It's really, really metallic. I mean, just look at that. It's so metallic. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's that. Got kind of like a gold flip to it. Now I got that from Beauty Bay with my reward points. I would never ever pay, what is it, £18, £20 for a tiny little thing like that. Especially when loads come out at once like that. Now there's a big massive window. Don't know if you can see it, but here there's a big massive window. Yeah, you can see it there. Right, so I'm keeping all of this. A lot of it is on the chopping block, like the Revolution is on the chopping block, but I want to keep it all just to see, like, if these will make good liners. If they'll make good liners, I'll just keep them. Like I said, I'm not just gonna declutter for the sake of decluttering. So I have only got rid of 4 out of that section. But next we will be doing the Colourpop Super Shocks, and I think some of them have dried up, so we'll probably get more out of that section. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate it. Please like it, lets me know what kind of content you like to see from me, and it also helps my channel out massively. Share and comment. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.